Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to learn about the chemistry subject, that is the topic name alkanes. So let us see what is the alkane and what are the definition we can say and the various formulas of alkanes. So alkanes, let us see alkane. In organic chemistry, an alkane or paraffin is an acyclic saturated hydrocarbon, we can say. In other words, we can say an alkene consists of hydrogen and carbon atoms arranged in a tree structure in which all the bonds are single, that is the carbon single bond it is then. So in short we can say alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon which contain carbon single bond. So that is nothing but we can say alkanes. Next one, we can see here the various formulas of alkanes it is being given, that is the methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. So methane means basically it contains the formula CH4, and ethane C2H5 it is given, the various formulas it has been given. So we can consider the different molecular formulas of alkane in this diagram. Next one, we can see the structure of alkane in a geometrical way, how we can draw the structure of alkane. So straight chain alkane we can say in a zigzag form we can draw, and the branch chain alkane means we can say the various branches are being attached of the various bonds, and cyclic alkanes mean we can say it is in a cyclic form. So that is the alkanes we can say. So octane, hexane, pentane, then we can say triangular shape it is having. So that is the we can say pentagonal shape are there, hexagonal shape, various shapes are there. So that is nothing but we can say the cyclic alkanes because it in a cyclic form. Next one, we can say the structural formula of alkane. Structural formula means how we can draw the various formulas of alkane. So methane we can say it is containing 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Ethane it is containing 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Propane it is containing 3 carbon and we can say 8 hydrogen. In this way we can say it is containing butane, propane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane. So we can draw the carbon attached it side by side. In this way we can draw the structured formula of alkane. Reaction of alkane, how the reaction it is taking place. So first here we can see here CH4 means methane plus chlorine, on reaction it give chloromethane plus hydrochloric acid. Second reaction we can say methyl chloride plus chlorine, it is giving us dry chloromethane and plus hydrochloric acid. Then next one we can say that is the formula it is containing, that it is giving us the product trichloromethane, and chloroform plus chlorine it is giving tetrachloromethane. So this is all about we can say reaction of alkane. Next one we can say the various forms are there of the alkane. So all this is all about we can say alkane. We have seen the formulas, the structure. So thank you all of you.